Hey, hey, hey! Happy Thursday! Happy end of the trading week! Happy end of March! Happy end of Q1 of 2024! Say hi, don't be shy. Who is with me? Hi, Avishai, good morning. Who else is with me? Let's go. Let's get this March over with. This price section, super tough price section, all across the board, all across March. Who is with me? Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi. Don't be shy. I see you out there. Just say hi and let's get this show started. What should we talk about today? Hi, guys. Samsung, good morning. How are you guys today? Hi, Avi. Hi, Amir. Hi, Amos. Thank you very much for joining. I do appreciate taking your time off your busy schedule and joining me live every day. Here we see US 500 on the 15 minutes, US 500 2 hours. US 500 is SPX futures. Hi Iris, hi Alon, good morning to you too. Hi. How are you guys doing? How was Q1 of 2024 so far? It's the end of Q1. Are you ready? Hi, Benny Baron. How are you, buddy? So, how was Q1 of 2024 treating you? Are you ready for Q2? Are we going to see some rate cuts? Hi, Shachar. Thank you very much. We will get over and we will go over all your requests. Don't worry. Let's check. First, futures. We can see here bulls are trying to push back up. We are above the 52.47. Next is the 52.60. Above it, 52.75 and then 5300. This is how it looks on the 15 minutes. Always zoom in, zoom out. And here we have the IWM 65 minutes. Yesterday, look at this massive candle that just broke up. We closed the day on the high of the day. Why do I use the 65 minutes? Because 6 candles of 65 minutes gives us a full complete daily candle. If you use the 1 hour candles, then the last candle is always only 30 minutes candle. Fibonacci traders, we like complete things. We don't like partials. Now, can we get this show on the road? If you're a pattern trader, you can clearly see some kind of a cup and handle yesterday. Now let's see continuation towards the 210 and then 214. This is how it looks on the 65. This is how the IWM looks on the daily. Super bullish. You can add the FTI on your chart. It's calculating, as you can see. If my internet will work. Here it goes. Bullish on all time frames. We are holding strong above the 206.30. The 206.30, look left. This area between the 203, the 206, this yellow zone was a very tough resistance since April of 2022. 2 years of resistance. We are already April 2024. Believe it or not, it's April. Next, 213 and 217 to the upside. SPY, pre-market, basically on the zero, Qs on the zero, IWM on the zero, Dow Jones on the zero, Apple slightly red, 0.4. What else do we have? Nvidia slightly red, 0.3. Tesla on the zero, SMCI minus 1%. What else? Reddit, 3% to the downside. And basically that's what's interesting pre-market. Overall, SPY uptrend channel above the 523. We will see 528, 531 and then 539 to the upside. So, who did I miss? Hi Shachar, thank you very much for joining. Amir. Hi Amir. Amir, you did not see. If you are asking for MSOS, it tells me one thing. Someone did not see I will show you what you missed. If you go, 1 second, if you go to the Fibonacci Traders channel, this is the Fibonacci Traders YouTube channel. If you hit the subscribe and the notification bell, you will know that each and every day I post 2 trading day reviews, one in English, one in Hebrew, and in the past few days I'm talking about the MSOS and about the MJ. And for those who don't know, these are cannabis ETF. MSOS follows only US based cannabis. Now, yesterday after 8.4% to the upside, let's see continuation above 1030 and we will see. Let's take Fibonacci to the upside and we will see 1110, 1210 and 1510. Same goes for MJ. Can we get continuation towards this yellow trend line to the upside? So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. CRM, I did not forget. CRM, what do we see? Sideways move, same as the rest of the market. Sideways move throughout March. Long continuation only above 309. But for now, as you can see, according to the FTI and this table right over here, we are bearish sentiment on the 65, on the 4 hours and on the daily. We're still bullish on the weekly, but 3 bearish out of 4 means no long for now on CRM. What else do we have? Hi Albert, thank you very much for joining. Shachar, thank you very much. Amir, no bad till now, thank you very much. Thank you, you too, Amir. One of our premium members, Amir. Reddit, RDDT. Look at this. You can take Fibonacci. Swing low, swing high, and now almost at the 618 Fibonacci retracement, now holding the 50%. If this one is failing to hold the 54 area, we are back to IPO price. This is how it looks on the 4 hours. Same thing. Look at this. What else do we have? On the 65 minutes, if you want to day trade Reddit, this is how Reddit looks. On the 65 minutes, yesterday opened with a massive 13% to the downside and then just moved sideways inside the yellow zone. If you ask yourself, what are all these lines, Tamir? This is the FTI, the magnificent tool that works on any time frame and anything that you want to trade. And everything is automatically calculated according to what you want to trade. SMCI goes sideways as well, as you can see. Inside downtrend channel, we have lower highs, lower lows. Hi David, hi Ingrid, good morning. AVGO for Guy. Guy, thank you very much for this amazing super chat. I appreciate you very much. Guy is also one of our premium members. Just finished the mentorship program, the 4 sessions of the mentorship program, just a few weeks back. But it doesn't end in the 4th session. The 4th session just begins the journey. Thank you very much. What do you think about this emoji bouncing down here at the left corner? Do you like it? Pretty much I like it. What do you say? I will keep it. Maybe change the color. AVGO. As I said, the mentorship program, it's 4 sessions live with me, English, Hebrew, whatever you want, choose your language. We choose the time together. And then after the 4th session, we begin our trading journey together with lifetime access for support and guidance. All premium members can validate that every time they ask me something, I'm there to help. AVGO, no long. your stop loss should be just below the 1290, below this yellow zone. Look at this, bearish, except the daily. 3 out of 4 is bearish, no long. Berkshire Hathaway, BRKB. Same as the SPY, same as the Qs. If you trade Berkshire Hathaway, it's same thing as your, basically it's like trading SPY ETF. Basically it's the same, almost all-time highs. Let's see continuation above the 417 towards 423 and 430. Bullish sentiment on all time frames. Very nice. You also have, if you are a pattern trader, which I know you are not, guy, but there are traders that follows patterns for some reason, beyond my knowledge why they do it, because patterns are not reliable. But you can see you have some kind of a cup and handle breaking up and above, and we will see 430 and 450. NVO, what do you see? Downtrend, bearish sentiment on all time frames except the weekly, which means no long. Adobe, what do we see? Nothing much. Since the earnings gap down, sideways move, bearish on all time frames except the daily. We are buy signal and bullish on the daily, not because we need to go long. It just means that the FTI helps us to identify support and resistance, and in this case it identifies that this area, the 424 area, is a very strong support. So if you are short on Adobe, it means that you need to manage your short a little bit closer. NVTS for Lital. NVTS, what do you see? Downtrend until proven otherwise. Short continuation below the 416, and then you ask Fibonacci where to? 387, 373, all these levels to the downside. You want to go long, only weekly close above the 5 area. Until then, you don't need anything on your chart. Looks very, very ugly chart to the downside. If you want to go long, if you're short, perfectly good. As long as this, look at these trend lines. Look at this. How trend lines, every time price reaches the downside, it tries to bounce. But what do we have here? This middle trend line that keeps lower highs, lower lows, which means downtrend until proven otherwise. CGC from MJ, another super nice cannabis canopy growth. Cannabis ETF yesterday 32% to the upside. Let's see continuation. We can take Fibonacci. Next resistance is the 1090, 1590 to the down, maybe 16. Above 16, bulls will take it all the way to 57. But hold your horses. Every day by itself. Trade what you see. Don't trade what you think you see and what you want to see. Or don't trade what everybody else thinks. Trade what you see. And for now, CGC, together with all the rest of the marijuana, cannabis sector, pretty bullish. PayPal, we're still long PayPal in our Fibonacci traders. We have this area, very tough resistance, as you can see. If you want to know how to do it by yourself, how to analyze charts by yourself, become your own indicator without following anyone on social media to tell you what to do, how to buy, where to buy, how to manage position. If you want to do it by yourself, become a professional trader. check the links in the description below. You have the one-on-one mentorship live with me, or the online program. Basically, it's the same, but pre-recorded. You will get lifetime access for support and guidance from me. This area, super tough resistance. We're still long. We took long above the 65 area. Now we are stuck at the 68. Long continuation above the 68. And this gap will get filled. This area, the 65 area, is the support. Always look left. Try to identify by yourself without any indicators where price came from, and then you will become a better trader. You will know where price might be heading next. Edwalma, how are you this morning? ML, let's check ML. Money Lion. I have some mosquito over here that bugs me. I will deal with him after the live. Very nice. As long as this yellow zone is holding. What's the volume on this one? No volume. 150 shares per day. Not my cup of tea, but as long as this yellow zone is holding, you're good to go long. Above the 79, you will see 85 and 92, 80 to the downside. You are short, good for you, Lital. Just manage your risk. TSN. Ladies and gentlemen, the only thing I ask for you is hit the like, hit the subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. That's it. It's simply as that. Take one millisecond, hit the like and subscribe. TSN, Tyson Foods, super bullish, sorry. Long continuation above the 59 towards 62. Tyson Food have a long way to go until all-time highs. Maybe it will get there, maybe it will not. The only thing we need is the FTI on our chart to help us understand with up to 85% accuracy where price might be heading next. Above the 59, 60 and 62, below 58, you will see 57.20, the yellow zone, retested as support once again. Otis, NVCR. Otis. Let's check Otis. Just imagine if you come to our Discord and if you join our Discord, we have trading floor in English. We have trading floor in Hebrew. You can ask whatever you want, how many times you want, and I will be there together with many other professional traders that will help you almost around the clock. Because we have traders, I'm from China, we have traders from Israel, we have traders from the US. So almost all around the clock, there is someone that provides information and provides help for any questions that you want. We have day traders, we have swing lounge, options, crypto, general chat, and of course, everything also in Hebrew. Day trade, swing trade, anything that you want. Just join us and I promise you, you will start to see results almost immediately. And when I say results, I mean you will start seeing money. This is what we are for, right? Make money. Otis Worldwide Corporation, super bullish. As you can see, the yellow zone holding nice support above the 101. Do you hear me? Someone? Are we still live? Are we still live? Yes, okay. On my side, thank you. Okay. On my side, I had a little connection issues. Let's continue. Hi Alad, thank you very much. How are you this morning? STDL. 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 Are you sure? Or SDTL? No. Guy, I cannot find it. What else do we have? NVO. We talked about NVO. Hi Alad. What about TAN? I entered yesterday and all sectors look strong. Yep. TAN looks pretty good. I'm still waiting. I have this scenario in my head. Maybe continuation. I'm still waiting. I want to see where the week will close. I'm waiting above the 48 area, which is the next major resistance. Above it, I'm going long on this one. And then you have the 55. Above 55, in my opinion, we will see 64 and then 66 gap and then 74 to the upside. It's still early, but looks pretty good. To start, position long, slowly. ENPH. Let's check ENPH. This is part of TAN, the solar ETF, and phase energy. Let's take Fibonacci. Swing low, swing high. Let's see where price will end up. If we will close the week above the 120, we're set to go. Starting long position on this one. As you can see, nice. Even if you will start above the 137, 138, which is the next major resistance, and it will take you all the way to 174 because you have a gap over here, and we know that more than 85-90% of all gaps will get filled. Even if you get inside above the 138 towards 174, you're already 27% to the upside. So no rush. Patience is a virtue. Waldma, we have talked about ML. Moderna. We're also, as you can see, I also have an alert on Moderna above the 115.50 because it's a major resistance area. Look left. One click away, you don't need to think. You have the FTI in your chart. So in my opinion, Moderna, I will wait for a close above the 115 area and then I will start taking long position. Overall, Moderna looks bullish on all time frames, looking good as long as you manage your risk. And according to the FTI, your stop loss should be just here, the 104, 103 area. This is why we have the green line. This is our risk management for long, stop loss for long. The red line is stop loss for short. AFRM, long time since we checked about this, nothing much. What do we see? We don't need the trend lines. If we ignore the trend lines, let's clean the chart a little bit. What do you see? An AFRM just moving sideways since middle of February, nothing much. Long continuation or starting long, in my opinion, only above the 40-20. Look at this. This table tells us everything that we need to know. Bearish, except on the daily. All the rest is bearish. No long for me. Thank you very much. Stock with big cup and handle. Which one? Moderna, yeah. Big cup and handle, I don't know. I don't follow patterns. This one or this one depends on the time frame that you choose to trade. You have this cup and handle on the weekly. Don't rely on cup and handles. I tell you why. Because what they sell us, if they sell us the cup and handle, right? Everybody teach us cup and handle. If this one will break to the upside, then price will go from the dip of the cup to the upside, right? So it means Moderna should reach 193. Just imagine that these kind of patterns, same as the head and shoulders, will work 30% of the time. 30. Everybody will be rich. And no one will need to ask someone random, some random guy on YouTube, what do you think on Moderna, right, Alon? Or anybody else that follows patterns. If patterns truly work, so why we meet here each and every day, every morning, every evening, we meet on Discord, we meet on Twitter, and we ask, what do you think about this? What do you think about this? We have patterns. We follow patterns. Patterns work, right? No, they don't. Patterns don't work. They just don't. Just think about it. If patterns would work 35% of the time, and with the proper risk management, we will not meet here, right? We will not search for that holy grail that doesn't exist. Same as patterns. Patterns, anybody can see whatever they want. So who's right? No one's right, no one's wrong. There is no wrong or right. This is my... Thank you, Waldma. This is why I don't follow patterns. I use Fibonacci and trend lines. Sweet green, uptrend, bullish, continuation above the 26 towards all these red lines to the upside, red resistance, red levels to the upside. SG was on my watch list few weeks back. I missed this uptrend. I'm not chasing. Overall, looking super bullish. Your stop should be just below here, the 23.20. What else do we have? Thank you very much, Ido. You too. Yes, 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 yes. Everybody's in. STLD. STLD. Still dynamics. Super bullish. As you can see. Let's take Fibonacci to the upside. One click away, and this FTI could be yours on your chart. STLD long continuation above the 148 towards the 154, 161. Your stop loss should be. No need to break your head. Here, you have the green line. FTI provides everything that you need to trade with no emotions. More up to 85% accuracy on all time frames. Let's check once again. Futures moving sideways. I don't think we will see some price action today. We are going into a long weekend. What else do we have? CVNA. CVNA. Let's check CVNA. As long as CVNA is above the 86.60, the yellow zone, we are good to go. Long continuation above the 94, then we will see 100 and 106. Snow. Let's check snow. Nothing much on snow. Mixed signals over here. Sideways move since beginning of February. Sideways move. You want to go long, in my opinion, only above. Weekly close above the 169. LUNR. What is this? Initiative Machines. Looks pretty good. Let's take Fibonacci a little bit higher. You see the yellow zone acting as resistance. You have a gap over here, the 50% retracement. Let's take it to the 21, like this. Long continuation above the 730, and then this gap will get filled, and then 907, all the rest resistance to the upside. Overall, looking good. Your stop loss should be just here, 620. What else? This was LUNR. Is it good time to go long for lift? I don't know. Ask the FTI. What does the FTI says? As long as you are above the yellow zone, you are good to go long. I would wait. Let's see weekly close above the 1963. No rush. You have this trend line. You have this uptrend channel over here. I want to see close above, at least above the 1970. You see how the 1970 acted as support, and yesterday broke to the downside. So let's see weekly close today above this 1960, and then 2080 and all the way up here to the 24. SMCI for Elchanan. Elchanan, just hit the like. You don't need to hit the like. Just hit the subscribe and the notification bell, because SMCI, I'm talking about it every day between 7 to 7:30 a.m. Israel time. I post the stock market review in Hebrew and stock market review in English. SMCI is in that review. What do you see? Trend lines take us down for now. We have lower lows, lower highs. We are inside the yellow zone. We have mixed signals. And in my opinion, only a close above the 1070. Then we will see long continuation. Until then, no long on SMCI for now. Abercrombie and Finch. ANF. We have double top scenario, breaking below the 114, and this name goes back to the 98. Bearish. 3 bearish signals, only 1 on the weekly. What else do we have? Thank you very much, Lital, for this amazing super chat. I do appreciate you and everyone else here that joins me each and every day, each and every morning, evening, afternoon. AAP, moving sideways in the past 7-8 trading days. As long as you are above the 83, you're good to go. Long continuation above the 88.60 towards 95 and 103. We can take Fibonacci a little bit tighter. We will get more support and resistance. As you can see, this area, the 84.60, very important area of support. Below it, 81.64. This is my 2 cents on AAP. JWN, we've talked about ENPH, Alad. Go back to the, once this live is over, please go back to the beginning of this live and you will see we've talked about ENPH. JWN, Nordstrom. Basically, it's the rival of Abercrombie and Finch. This one looks good. Above 2030 towards 21 and 2240. Overall, this one looks good. For now, it looks better than ANF. Moderna we talked about. Zurich. Zurich is our above a premium member. Zurich is master of the Fibonacci. We have a master program. Yes. Believe it or not, we have a master program. Master program includes, we have several programs you can choose from. Lital, once again, thank you very much for this amazing super chat. I do appreciate you. If you ask yourself, we have several programs. So, what do we have? Fibonacci-Traders University. First, we have the master program. Master program includes the one-on-one live mentorship with me, lifetime access for support, guidance from me, no one else, only me. Of course, we have more Discord members that can help you, but the support and guidance is from me, all Discord channels, and you get lifetime access for the FTI system. So this is the master program. Lifetime access, support, guidance, 4 sessions where we go from basics until you will know how to use Fibonacci, read candlestick analysis. You will know how to analyze charts the same as I do. And then you have lifetime access for support and access for the FTI system. So check the Fibonacci Traders University. Choose your path. Financial freedom. Moderna long above the 115. As you can see, I have an alert over here, Zoic. Above this one, I will go long. What else do we have? Where did it go? What else? This should not be here. This should be here. 1 second. And I'm PLTR. Long time since we checked PLTR. Where's the chart? Where did everybody go? What happened here? 1 second. What happened? Where is my screen? Where is my screen? So this was JWN. What else? Moderna, we talked. Double top on Nvidia, could be. Let's check. Nvidia. Yeah. Could be double top, but hold your horses. It's Nvidia. Below 888, we are going south to 841. By the way, 888 is a very special number in China. 8 is lucky number. Thank you very much, Benny, for this amazing super chat. Tilray, IMG. What else do we have? We talked about PLTR. PLTR, nothing much. Every day we talk about PLTR, nothing changes. Sideways move. Sideways move. Below 2290. You will see 18 to the downside, this gap. IMG. What is IMG? I am gold. I am gold. Looking good. Looking good, Alon. Looking good. Above the 434, you will see 460 and maybe 5 and 540. Looking good. Your stop should be just below the yellow zone. Let's pick up the pace. Tilray. Did you hit the like? Did you hit the subscribe? I see you out there. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. It takes nothing. Help me grow this channel. Let's become the greatest community of technical analysts and profitable traders. I help you, you help me. The only thing that I ask in return, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Tilray long continuation above the 250, and then you have this double bottom scenario that can take you all the way to 340. Ether, it's the Ethereum ETF. Same as Ethereum. If you want, just analyze Ethereum. Where Ethereum goes, this name goes. Below the 2360, 2060, and 1650. VET is next. VET looking good. Starting this uptrend. Now let's see where is next. Bullish all sentiment on all time frames. Long continuation above the 1230 towards 1260 and 13. What's the volume on this one? Let's check volume. Nice volume. I will add it to my watch list. Thank you very much. I can look on Tesla. This is Tesla. Downtrend until proven otherwise. Nothing much. You see? No FOMO. Look left. We have this downtrend. Long continuation, only weekly close above the 185. Maybe I will, El Waldman. Thank you. Thank you, Amir. CRK, WAL for Alon. For Ron, sorry. Ron? Long time didn't see you. Where have you been, my friend? Long time. Or is it just me missing you out? Western Alliance Bancorp. Same as the KRE. You have this major resistance over here at the 64, and then you will see 66 and 69 to the upside. WFRD. WFRD. What do we see here? Uptrend. We're starting to get some bearish signals. So, but as long as you are above the yellow zone, you're good to go. If you are not long yet on WFRD, I would wait for a weekly close above the yellow zone or even above the 117.70. Yeah, because these are the two, almost the two, I don't know why. PLTR, I really don't know. Tesla, I can understand. Patience. Patience. Don't fall in love with a stock. Don't fall in love with a company. Don't. Just don't. Trade what you see. Don't trade what you think you see. Don't trade what anybody else says. And it doesn't matter if it's me or someone else on YouTube, on Twitter, on WhatsApp groups, on TikTok, on Instagram. And it doesn't matter how many subscribers, how many followers they have. Follow price. Just follow price. PLTR moving sideways with the danger of head and shoulders. Tesla, downtrend. Will they go up? Maybe. Will they continue to go down? Also maybe. Don't fall in love. Hi Ron, how are you? Thank you very much for this amazing super chat. Yeah, swing yesterday. What did we take? We have PayPal, DE, Mobileye, MJ, right? We have some nice swings going on. Thank you very much, Iran. You're at work all day. Stop working. No, just kidding. Work, work. As long as you love your work, keep working. If you don't love your work, find something you love to do. RK, nothing much. Basically, nothing much. Long above 51.80. BPMC. Yeah, we have some great swing ideas in the Fibonacci-Traders Discord, right? With special swing launch, where we post special swings, right? And as you can see, I post almost every day what I'm holding. So join us, join us, join us. I promise you, you will start see results. And by results, I mean you will start see money. BPMC, Blueprint Medicals. What's the volume on this one? Not bad. Not bad at all. Long continuation. First, you see bullish sentiment on all time frames, which is pretty good. Long continuation above 95 towards 97 and then 101. AAP. Moving sideways after this bull run. Moving sideways. Bulls took time off. As long as you are above the yellow zone, you are good to go. If you are not long yet, I would wait to see weekly close above 84.60 or above 88. CRK. Comstock. Looking good. This area, tough resistance. 934. Above it, 974 and 1030 overall. Bullish sentiment on all time frames. This is why we have the FTI. One click away and this amazing tool can be on your chart. It's like you ask the FTI. It's like you ask me what to do. Just put the FTI in your chart. And then you don't need to ask me or no one else where price might be heading next. Guy, we talked about NVO. QTUM. Defiance Quantum ETF. Looking good. Looking, no wide trade. Look at this No volume. Just no volume. You want go long above 62. But I don't like these kind of names with no volume. 33,000 stocks per day. It's nothing. Really nothing. Mark Dynamics. What happened here? Stay away from it. Bearish on all time frames. You want to go short below yesterday's lows, you will see 715 and all this to the downside. Check what happened. Check the news. What happened here? It's not normal candle for this name. It's not normal at all. Check what happened. Ford, yeah, Ford looks good. It's from my top stocks to watch. I'm waiting for a weekly close above this one, above the 13. Then I will start going long. SOUN. What do you say? We start making lives in Hebrew also? Every day? Let me see your likes and subscribes. Let's do something. Wait, I want to try something. Bear with me. You have nowhere to go. You have no live on the other side. Today no live, right? Let's make a poll. I have poll. I don't know how to make a poll. How do you do it? How do I make poll? Wait. I don't know. I'm not good at this kind of stuff. I'm just not good at this. Anyway, no poll. Just let me know. What do you think? Should we start? I want to see these likes going up. I want to see yes. I want to see reaction. Should we start from Monday? Go live every day. Also in Hebrew. I will do 2 lives. One in English, one in Hebrew. No problem. Whatever you want. It's all for you. Let me know. I want to see comments. I want to see reaction. So let me know. What do you think? Yes or no. For now, you don't seem to be so... No po... Yes. Maybe. Shachar, we talked about Ford. SOUN. Ido. Careful, below the 540, you will see 530, 360, and 244. This gap will get filled. Yes. Show me likes. Show me subscribes. And I will think about it. We have a long weekend to think about it. Bring friends. Help me grow this channel. And we might start doing lives. It all depends if we will do live in Hebrew before the live in English. Tomorrow night, summer. It's daylight saving time, right? In Israel. Tomorrow, I think. Yeah. Tomorrow night, between Friday and Saturday. So Monday, it's already 5 hours and not 6. Let me think about it. I will sleep about it all weekend long. And we have a long weekend ahead of us. Right? Long weekend ahead of us. So make sure you hit the notification bell because many videos coming up during this long weekend. Hood looking good. Long continuation above 2050 And then all you need to do is ask FTI. Don't ask me. You ask me, I check the FTI. FTI says 2170 and 2320. So if you ask me, it's like asking the FTI. So put the FTI in your chart, link in the description below. Or if you want, only if you want, this is the link to join the Fibonacci Discord. All channels plus the FTI. Check this link and start Q2 of 2024 together with me, and I promise you will see results, because once you invest in yourself and you invest money in me, the burden is on me, and my name follows me. My name is more crucial to me than anything else. So once you join Fibonacci Traders Discord, and it doesn't matter on which path you choose, I will be there to make sure. No, it's not today. It's today. Today is today night, between Thursday and Friday. Today. Are you sure? Are you sure? It's not Friday night. APA looking good, but I want to see weekly close above the 33, maybe even above the 34.80. I don't see too many likes and subscribes, so maybe I won't do lives in Hebrew. IGM. We have 7 more minutes until opening bell. So maybe it's time to wrap up this live. IGM moving sideways, long continuation above the 87.60 towards 90. XBI for Gal. WFRD, we talked about Benny, thank you very much. XBI looking good. For now, holding up the 92, and we have a nice double bottom scenario over here. Let's see weekly close above the 96.86, and then this double bottom all the way to 104 will get filled today night. Okay, good to know. Thank you very much. Thank you. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining. We have 7 more minutes. I need to go to my Fibonacci Traders Discord members to get prepared together with them for another trading day. So thank you very much. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I do appreciate it. Each and every one of you. Until the next video. Until the next Q2 of 2024. Please stay safe.